Social media and digital marketing are essential parts of your marketing strategy. Small businesses often find this very intimidating and can't afford necessarily to outsource this vital tool for engaging with your customers to an external company. The social media and digital marketing course that I run is designed to help small businesses take control of their social media, either to manage it themselves or to upskill a member of staff to take on this vital role for them. In the course, we will cover the basic social media platforms, what purpose they have, what they do for you. We will look at basic analytics so you can look at your posts and figure out how they are behaving so you can choose the ones that are doing the best for your business. We will also look at pay-per-click and boosted advertising so you understand how you can leverage this into getting your best content in front of people who are going to care. We'll also look at management platforms which will help take an awful lot of the stress and strain and save you time when dealing with social networks. We'll look at what makes good, engaging content, help you find out the best things to post for your businesses to engage and attract new customers. How to repurpose content, take existing content and break it up to cover a variety of social networks, again, saving you time and keeping a clear message out there. And we'll also talk about the vital importance of video in social networking, which is a superb way to engage and attract new business. If you'd like to learn more about this course, please do just click on the link in the comments below. It'll take you straight to the page of the website where you can find out more and book yourself onto a course. Thank you very much for listening, and I hope to see you on the course soon. Bye-bye for now.